my name is Shania and today I wanted to share with you 3 amazing recipes for some smoothies and juices that will give you amazing glowy skin. Before Christmas, I was going through a really tough time at work. It was really stressful and I just wasn't taking care of myself. But over Christmas, I knew something had to change and I did a lot of research into ingredients that were great for your skin. I thought I'd just stick them in a smoothie or juice just because it's such an easy way to get all the nutrients you need. These smoothies are just packed with vitamins, antioxidants and healthy fats for your skin. So I hope you enjoy this and I hope you try it out as well. So let's get into it.
First, we'll be making a tropical green smoothie. You'll need some leafy greens. I've got a mixture of kale and spinach. For our liquids, I'm using a lemon green tea, which I made the night before, and I let it cool down before using in this recipe. For our fruit, we have some frozen mango topped with shredded coconut and chia seeds. We'll be topping our smoothie with some spirulina and a lime to liven things up. First, we're going to pack in about 1 cup of the kale and spinach mix. Spinach is rich in some protective carotenoids and antioxidants that help protect the skin against free radical damage. Next, we're adding in our green tea. Green tea has a powerful compound called catechins, which also help protect your skin against sun damage, reduce redness, and improve the skin's hydration, thickness, and elasticity. Now moving on to our frozen mango. Mango is great for digestion and is filled with vitamins A and C, which helps the skin with its growth and repair. I'm adding in some water for some extra hydration. Now for the juice of half a lime. Limes contain vitamins A to D and flavonoids, which are antioxidants that strengthen the collagen in your skin. Finally, I'm adding some spirulina, which has a high protein content and anti-inflammatory properties. To help with the blending, I'm going to give it a shake. And now we have smoothie number 1 done. Next, we're making a spicy blast. You'll need a red pepper, cucumber, carrots, lemon, cayenne, and water. First, we're adding in our water, and we're going to squeeze in half a lemon. Lemon has bioflavonoids, which helps vitamin C work more efficiently. Next, I'm adding in my red pepper and carrots. Both of these ingredients are packed with vitamin A. Red pepper is also the best source of vitamin C. 1 cup of chopped red pepper contains an impressive 317% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C is necessary for creating the protein collagen, which keeps the skin firm and strong. I forgot to mention I'm also adding ginger, which gives the whole drink a punchy taste. After topping up with some more water, I'm adding in a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne is full of antioxidants and vitamin C and E. It's said to be anti-inflammatory and helps reduce free radical damage. I'm giving it all a good shake and putting it in for its first blitz. After the first blitz, I'm adding in about half a small cucumber. Cucumbers are made up of 98% of water, so it helps towards hydrating your skin. And now I'll give it another blitz until I can get it as smooth as possible. And that's all you need to do for smoothie number 2. For smoothie number 3, we're making a berry blast. You'll need leafy greens, a mixture of frozen berries. I have strawberries, blueberries and raspberries, homemade walnut milk, which is super easy to make. If you'd like to know how, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. You'll also need walnut pulp, which is left over from the homemade walnut milk. You'll need some avocados, about half or a quarter depending on how creamy you want your smoothie. You'll also need some flax seeds, which I completely forgot to put on this layout. Now we're going to pack in about 1 cup of the mixed greens. Next we're adding in our frozen berries. Both blueberries and strawberries are both very high in vitamin C, which, as we said earlier, helps with collagen production. I'm now adding in 1 teaspoon of the walnut pulp. I'm also adding in 2 teaspoons of flax seeds. Both of these ingredients are high in omega-3, which is great to help with premature aging, reducing the effects of acne, and to help moisturise your skin from the inside out. Now I'm giving my walnut milk a quick mix in case it's separated. Not only do walnuts have a high source of omega-3, they also contain copper, which helps boost collagen production. While doing this voiceover, I realised I've not shown you the avocados going in. Avocados are high in antioxidants and vitamins such as E and C. They protect from free radical damage and are one of the best ingredients you can eat for anti-aging properties. I'm now adding a bit of water just to get the smoothie to the consistency I enjoy the most. So as I've done previously, I'm going to give this a quick shake and blitz. And here we have finally smoothie number 3.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do try them out, please let me know how it goes for you, what results you saw, and what you thought of the taste, and if you've made any changes to it, because what I love about smoothies and juices is it can just vary depending on your mood. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you do want to